Hello everyone, and welcome back to my crafting world. This is Anna. Today is February 14th, so let me see how to do that. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. So my Valentine's Day isn't that great. I got into a little fender bender earlier. My back bumper helped a truck come to a stop. We have a lot of ice on the roads today, and I had to go pick up my grandson. Thank God that he's okay, and it was it was not a really hard impact. So the three of us all right. It was my husband, myself, and my grandson. My car doesn't look that great, but we've already got the ball rolling on that one. So that being said, I thought today would be the perfect day to announce a swap for my groupies. I know there are, a lot of you out there that prefer group swaps. So this is another small one. I am calling it the Bunny Group Swap 2021. So let me go over the rules, which are the same. You will be in groups of 3, which would be you and 2 others. You must be 18 or over. You must live in the U.S., have a U.S. address to participate in the swap. Please label your swap. That just helps everyone all the way around. This will be open until February the 22nd. The theme is either Easter or spring. You can choose either one because they both have the same colors. Postage is $8.55 for a padded envelope. You can contact me for payment information. You can send the payment in your envelope, or you can send $8.55 worth of stamps in your envelope, and I will put that on your padded envelope and send it off that way. And if you can, please send me the tracking. Your mail out date is March the 3rd, 2021. And this will be open until February the 22nd, and you will get partners on February 23rd. Now, groups of 3 means you and 2 others. Sending me a swap is totally optional. You don't have to. Please don't feel like you have to. That's totally optional. So let me tell you what's included in this loaded envelope. It is a small one, 5.5 by 7, and I don't want it any larger. This one happens to be Easter themed. So I've made another small one to show you what a spring themed might look like. And this only has the one pocket on the front. It does not have the opening pocket on the top, because everything you make should fit into that one pocket. It's just got a little gusset on the side here. Everything should fit in here, okay? So let me tell you what is included in the swap, or what you need to include in the swap. You need to include a small or mini wand, and this is a small one. I've cut the straw down to 5.5 inches. And then I've made a wand here, and I've attached the straw to the wand, so it makes it shorter to where it will actually fit in your pocket. So these are 2 examples of pockets or loaded envelopes, and I'll show you this one better once I empty it. But here's the wand, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill this one just so you can see that it will fit in here. The second thing you must include is a dangle, and I have put mine on a clip, and it just as long as it's a spring dangle. This one has pinks and blues and purples, and it's got some charms in there. It's got a bunny charm, a cross charm, it's got a key, it's got flowers. So just as long as it looks springy, and I just attach that to my loaded envelope so that it's easier to include everything. The next thing you need to include are 2 handmade flowers, and these are my 2 handmade flowers, and I just cut them out, put some glass glitter on there, a really pretty center, And that's it. These are my 2 flowers that I would send my partner. So that goes in there. And then the next thing that you need to include is a small tag, 2.5 by 4, no larger, which is this 2.5 by 4. And I just, as you can see, it's decorated, you know, it's got ample space to decorate your little tag. And that is my little tag that I would include for my partner, and that goes in here. And the 5th thing you need to include are 10 die cuts, okay? Those are totally up to you, whatever you want to send your partner, as long as you send them 10 die cuts. And again, I just put them in a plastic envelope or in a plastic bag, stuck it in there, and it fits just fine. And then the last thing I want you to include is at least one extra goodie for your partner, one extra. And again, I'm going to ask for no Dollar Tree stickers, please. Okay. So this is the loaded envelope that I would send my partners. If you have this die, you are more than welcome to use this die. Everything will fit in here nicely. I've just cut it out, decorated it, you know, put some layers on there, and that's it, you know. And I think it looks really, really cute that way. This is Easter. Of course, if I was doing spring, I would decorate this as a spring loaded envelope. Okay, and as you can see, everything just fits perfectly. This is so easy to make, very easy to make. And as you can see, everything fits just fine. And so you could use either one if you wanted to. And that's all I have for you guys. I hope I see you join the swap and make it fun for everyone. And thank you so much for watching. I will talk to everyone later. Thanks a lot, guys.